Holy shit, Southwest not spraying? What's going on? Or did they just turn it on? No spray out of Southwest spray lines. Oh, there we go. Yeah, I kicked her on right by that local sun. Weird. That's some full wing in there. Yep. You are busted, Southwest spray lines. That's a hell of a mix, AI. Sneaky bastards. Do not eat the snow, children. Oh, it's magic. Wonder where they turned on them sprayers. Busted. Yeah, that's just real pretty. Well, we better go document that one. Oh, you stupid phone. You're not smartphone. Yeah. Old Southwest spray lines. Criminals. Been a little over 5 minutes. That's that magical trail that Southwest Spray Lines just dumped. It really juiced her up. Whatever the hell that was. We should have an American Airlines coming. They'll be, well, should be coming about in line with that son of a bitch. Give or take a few miles. Juiced it. So ridiculous. Oh, there's... Okay. So this little bastard here just flew out of Cody just like a few minutes ago. I've seen him on the radar. So we got a contractor coming out of Cody, along with your average commercial spray liners. Delta connection. I won't mention no names. Interesting. Have to start watching Cody a little more. I reported all the criminal activity at that airport to law enforcement, FBI. and many others, and nobody gives a shit. Nothing to see here. American spray lines. There's Southwest Spray Lines trail. So we'll see what kind of concoction Lucifer and AI have for us today. Definitely not good. We know that. You gonna go in crop duster mode? American spray lines. That's a pretty potent little load by old Southwest. That really juiced some shit up. Pretty scammy up there. Focus, Miyagi. Boom. Boom, boom. Smack. Okay. Clearly different concoction there. Southwest Trail now joining in on the action. You can see what looks like a gasoline spill on water around the sun, but everything's fine. That's what you call willfully ignorant. He walks by every day. I'm pretty sure he works down at school. He's never stopped once and read any of them banners. Not once. He flies by. So I have to give him lots of shit. Juicy, juicy. Remember, kids, do not eat the snow.